Hola, si te gustan los libros, entonces este es un canal para ti. Soy Literatita y quiero compartir contigo mis videos de reseñas, juegos literarios, curiosidades de libros famosos, sorteos y entrevistas. Sigue mis publicaciones y no olvides suscribirte. Hello! This is the game of the Halloween dominoes. This game helps students practice many Halloween words. How to play? Create different cards with pictures and write Halloween words on the other side of the paper, like a vampire, witch, pumpkin, ghost. You can also print out the dominoes. Students shuffle the cards and pass out 3 to each member. The rest of the dominoes we put in the center of the table. Gamers must connect the same Halloween characters together, picture with the word witch. As the students lay down the dominoes, they must say the word in English. Black cat, skeleton. If you cannot put together any dominoes during your turn, you should take 1 card more from the table. The first person to order all his cards is the winner. I stop. I don't have one. Okay. I have the vampire. Oh, I have the spider. Enjoy the game and happy Halloween!